Hey YouTube, I'm going to be doing a pod review and taste test of my lemon chili. So this one came off of just my plant and soil, but I have another plant of the same one in hydroponics, as you might know. But this one came from soil, and I picked it off like 2 days ago, and I just been letting it ripen. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it open and get the seeds out, so I can definitely grow them again. So here's what it looks like. Trying. If you can see that, that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it open. And it's pretty like solid too. So let's go ahead and cut it open. And I've already had one of these, but it was only the first one that the plant produced, so I didn't want to do a taste test on that one. Oh. It smells good. It's definitely like a fruity smell that's like kind of like almost like sour, probably close to a lemon. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the seeds, and yes, I'll wash my hands after, because I've done that before. I've touched my face and it burns. This is gonna take me a minute, so might be a longer video than I expected. But I just want to get all the seeds out so I can save them. Damn, there's a good amount of seeds in here. Wow, this thing's loaded. Just get a few more. Oh, come on. Seeds are being tough to get out. There we go. Oh, and I just harvested this one too. Let me show you. Pretty small though. It's probably pretty much the size of my nail. Alright, so let's go ahead and try it. Got all the seeds out. Just put them together. And I'm off for Christmas break, so hopefully I'll be able to do some more videos for you guys. Here, I'll show you how many seeds I got. Pretty good amount. Alright, so let's go ahead and try this. Wow. That is instant. Ooh. It's got like a really sour taste. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, it's getting me at the back of the throat really hard. And I don't know the Scovilles on this. And it's got on the back of the tongue too. But yeah, if you like sour things, like Sour Patches and other sour candies, you'll probably like this chili. It's got a good burn going though. No, it's peaked. Let's make my nose run. So heat, I'd give it a 4 on heat. In flavor, let's see. It's not gonna be that high on the flavor because I don't really like sour candy. But I'll give it, I'll give it a 6 on flavor. Because I'm not in a, I just don't like sour candy. I've never did, so that's the only reason why I gave it a 6 and not a number higher. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Peace.